Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. Gold monthly chart showing this count, Elliott wave count, right? So this is big wave 3, wave 4, and we needed a wave 5 just above wave 3, right? So that wave 5 is after this. It started from here, and out of that wave 5, usually wave 5 also have 5 subwaves, right? So it's like 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and then wave 5. Now this wave 5 of this bigger wave 5 was underway since here, right? And it started to go from here, and then I started to track. Since then, I made tons of charts, but yeah, last chart I made was a weekly chart. Let me show it to you, and a daily, of course. This was my target, 127 up here. The price was down there, and these are current charts. This is a daily chart. It was like here somewhere. Says, well, it's going to go up to these levels, and target was. I'll show you that in a smaller time frame. My target. Let me show it to you now. So then I made this chart here, this one on the 27th Feb, and I opened a trade here as well from my 100 brick size. This is a 400 brick size chart, the 40-minute chart, right? So this is where the trade is showing here, but actually the entry was a smaller time frame, perfect by the book entry. But this was a perfect setup. That's what I'm saying. So the setup was there, and then it opened the trade, and it went up like nice and clean. And I said target is 2049. But what happened is that boom, it came down and it took my sell at break even and said, okay, bye bye, thank you, no problem. But this is the chart I made again before chart, showing that the target is what did I do? Okay. Okay, so the target was, let me see, the target was this, let me just, okay, 2049, right? So, and then it was like 61% it bounced, and then again it was trying to see, trying to bounce from here, from 61. But then I had an idea that it might drop to 78% and this rising TL as well. So somewhere here, it's supposed to be going to the upside, but it decided to go the upside right from there and gave me an entry, and which I took it from this 40-minute chart. This entry I took it from the 40-minute chart right after this reversal candle was finished, right, and I recorded it so that you know exactly that how I'm doing it. So the buy order is there. SL moved, here, right? I put the SL just below the low, and then this chart went up, down, up, down, up, down, and then finally today it will hit, boom, it went there. So see, from here it went up, came down, it went up, came down, and then boom, 2049 hit. So this is the chart, and I knew that that's where it's going, and that's why I put this here. Do you see what I see, right? So it exactly went there. And then my son, Omar, he also took it after the news with the help of the EA, this. So, well, boom, it went up, and then boom, it opened the trade here. See this little arrow that's opened by the EA Expert Advisor robot, and it went up from 2038 to 2048. Mine was from yesterday, and it was entry was yesterday, 28, but I closed today from 29 to 2049. Okay, so this is how the gold is right now, what it is doing. And now what? That's the question that now I just saw that, oh, well, let's go back and take a look at this. See this gold here, right here. See, it is doing now, it came down a little bit at 2043. Let's see on a 40-minute chart, this is how it is, right? So it is kind of like it hit this 2049 and dropping, and I'm pretty sure that, it's going to drop to this high or this high, and then again, boom, to the upside. So be ready. We have more to come to the upside, I guess, right? So the move, from here, ranging, and consolidating, and then all of a sudden broke above it, broke out of it, and now going from this 2049, where the heck that number written here? Oh, probably don't have it here. Right here. Come here, buddy. All right. So this is what I'm going to be looking at, more to the upside. Let's see if it comes down here, this high or this high, then I'll be ready to take it from the 70-minute chart or 170 brick size or 100 brick size. I'll make the entry again to the upside if it start to go to the upside. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe this, and then we have 5. Or maybe it is finished. Who knows, right? So we'll see. We will see. But right now it's bullish, so no shorts. And my son took a couple of shorts, small shorts yesterday. I told him not to, but he's learning, he's doing, and he's doing great, no problem. As long as he's doing good, so up or down. But I don't, So anyway, so this is it for now, and just wanted to share with you guys that that's what's happening in gold. And manage it to on your site, whatever the way you want. And then if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get this system, right? If this system is good for you, if you don't have any system right now to make the entries, if you have one and then it's good, yeah, keep it, and do the same thing. But if not, then you might want to go on my website and then try to get that and the system, and then try it. Yeah, and then I made a harmonic pattern course as well, and that helps a lot because see this one chart here. See, I said it's gonna drop here and then go. So these harmonic pattern helped me a lot, and then that's exactly what happened. And I made like tons of trades, almost like 15 trades in that direction, just because of that little stupid pattern, right? So I have this course online available now on my website right here, right? So take advantage of that as well. It's a lot of good information that you may not find somewhere else, because I trade them creatively. I start trading them from leg 3 and leg 4. I don't wait for the point, for a pattern to complete it, right? I wait, probably like, point C, even from point B to C and then C to D. I trade that pattern. And then if after that, it works out, then fine. Then, just like, let me show you here. No, I haven't put that over there, I think. All right. All right. So I'll show that later on. Here index, chart I'm talking about. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.